we are in Illustrator and I want to create a new document. So I'm going to go to File, New, and then this document window shows up and we can name the document if we want to. I'll name it Tools. Let's see, Profile is custom. Let's see what other things we have. Print, Web, Devices, Video, Film, Basic, RGB. So I'm going to do it as a print document, and this automatically changes it to letter. Right now the size, the units are in points. We can change this over here. We can make it picas, and let's click orientation is portrait or landscape, and click OK. Alright, so now we have our items, and let's start going through some of the tools. The first tools are our selection tools, and I'm going to, in order to select something, I have to put something on the page. So I'm going to go to the shape tools and draw a rectangle, and right now we have the selection tool. And the selection tool is like the selection tool in InDesign, where we can grab handles and make them different sizes. We can move it around in the space. That's the selection tool. The one next to it is the direct selection tool, and we have the selection tool or the group selection tool, and I'm not quite sure what the group selection tool is, but the selection tool allows us to grab individual points and move those points around, so now it's no longer a box. This is very similar to InDesign, or we can select the middle one and move those around as well. We could also select the line between the points and move that particular edge all around if we wanted to. That's the selection tool. The magic wand tool allows us to click in the center of it and it selects everything. The lasso tool allows us to lasso around a couple of points. So notice these points are selected, they're blue. These points are filled with white, they are not selected. So if I go back to my selection tool, I'm allowed to move those 2 points around. Or I can take the lasso and move these 3 points around at the same time. It's just another way of selecting items. The other way is to select one, hold the shift key down, select another one, select a third one, and then I let up on the shift key, and now we can move things around. Those 3 items are staying stagnant while the other one is keeping its position. Those are the selection tools.